guys, good morning. Here now it's almost 12:19 a.m. in the morning, and we are here in Dunedin Port. And now I'm not busy because it's port day today. So I'm just doing relaxing, no calls also from the guests. Out of 3,000 guests, I didn't receive any calls yet. So I'm just doing my video again. So I'm gonna show you what's inside of the office. Let me show you. Charan! I am doing my video, my report. So these are the feedbacks from the guests. I am calling them every morning after their breakfast, so to get an info if how's their breakfast, if if they have some comments, complaints regarding with the breakfast, if delayed, missing items. Yeah, so we have total of 132 breakfasts, continental and hot together. So these are the priority list. Those are the passengers who complain with their orders that they had been delayed, missing items, so need some extra attention. And these are the GI, the isolated guests. We have a lot of isolated guests today. So yeah, so this is the room service manifest. The one that you see is the names of the room service attendants, and also with their room number, emergency card, drill card, and drill collar. And this is the concierge class. Concierge class means these are the rooms that it's the long time cruisers. It means like they have been cruising for a long time in Celebrity. And these are the canopies. This is only for embarkation day. We use that one. And I have some standing orders over there in the morning. And this is the computer of my room service manager and his chair. Oh, my Apple. And so yeah, this the one that you see is the ITB printer. This printer is used for wines if the guest ordered wines. And I will show you for the foods. If they will order foods, you will see this ITV food printer is only for the food. And yeah, these are the butlers. You see, mostly all Filipinos, 2 Filipino and 2 Indians, and 1 from Russia, I think, or Mexico. Yes. So this is the night attendants, assistant chief housekeeper, and the ways: never avoid eye contact, frown or ignore, say no or I don't know. That's never say to guests. Show frustration, say no problem, point, call, transfer guest, be inattentive or makes excuses, blame the guest partner or the colleague, overshare, and always make eye contact, smile and greet, provide alternatives and answer, say let me see how I can help, remember you are on stage, say my pleasure, you are welcome, absolutely, etc. Welcome, show them, pass on their information, listen, take ownership, resolve, empathize and find solutions, and keep conversation positive and professional. Sometimes as a room service operator, it's very difficult also, because sometimes the guest is calling and they called just to complain, with everything, like with the drinks. Sometimes I encountered one guest, and they already like screaming, maybe because they are drunk. So uh they say, like, they say any bad words, and like, why should I have to pay for a drink? We paid a lot of money in this ship. And then maybe they thought that if they go here and pay for almost $1,000 and everything was for free, but it's not. There's some that's for free, but some are not. So even if they have premium package cards, they still need to pay for the drinks, for the room service. So yeah, that's for now. And I will be for my next video, I will show you the 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 cabin for the crew here in the ship. I'll show you if um how small is the cabin for the two people inside, sharing for two. So I'm gonna show you for the next video then. So for now, I have to make my report, and see you for my next video.